How to enter trade signals on Metatrader 5. This tutorial shows you how to set up and place a trade order on Android. First, open the Metatrader 5 app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in to your trading account. From there, head to the Quotes section and tap on the asset or symbol you want to trade. After that, a pop-up will appear. Tap on New Order to open the order setup screen. At this point, tap the Market Execution dropdown at the top to see all the available order types. From here, you can choose from several options depending on your trading strategy. Buy limit to buy at a lower price than the current market, sell limit to sell at a higher price, buy stop to buy once the price rises to a certain level, or sell stop to sell once it drops to a certain point. Following this, if you need more advanced options, you'll also find buy stop limit and sell stop limit available in the same dropdown. After that, enter your desired price in the price field. This is the level at which you want your order to be triggered. From there, set your stop loss in the SL field. This is the price level at which your trade will automatically close to limit your losses. At this stage, enter your take profit amount in the TP field. This is where your trade will automatically close once it hits your target profit level. Finally, once everything is set up the way you want, tap Place Order to submit your trade signal. That's how you enter trade signals on Metatrader 5. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.